about how separatist leader Mir Faiz Umar Farooq is likely to depose before the Waqf JPC chief Jagdampika Pal. Now, he is likely to meet the committee chairman today morning with the delegation, which will have strong reservations against the implementation of the Waqf bill. I'm now joined by CNN News 18's Payal Mehta. Payal, around what time is it expected that Mir Faiz is expected to meet the chairperson of the JPC, and also is it expected that he will in fact be deposing in front of the other members of the JPC as well?
You know, Sharon, initially it was understood that he would probably just come and meet the chairman alone because the discussion was over. As per the original plan, today the bill was to be discussed threadbare. A clause by clause discussion was to take place by today and tomorrow, but there has been a change of plan which was effective last night and late last night. So Mir Faiz Umar Farooq will appear before the panel in Parliament at around 11 o'clock, and he'll be accompanied by a delegation, and they obviously want to oppose the bill. But you know, earlier also he had written himself to the he himself had written to the committee that he wants to depose before them. But the government had asked him very clearly that he will have to mention what what aspects of the bill is he opposing, because this cannot be a platform for him to come and deliver a lecture over here as well. So today he will depose before the panel, and the clause by clause discussion that is supposed to take place today will take place on 27th. The government is extremely clear, Sharon. They want to introduce, they in fact want the report to be submitted to Parliament. The JPC report has to be submitted to Parliament in the first part of the budget session. And I think the important thing is that the BJP leadership wants to actually give a message to the people of Delhi. And if the report is submitted before the Delhi election, then probably a message goes to the people of Delhi. That at least that's what multiple people are saying.
Also, Payal, when we talk about separatist leader Mir Faiz, he was in fact, I believe, was in the house arrest. So what are the arrangements that has been made, and how come a decision, a permission was given for him to come and depose in front of the JPC?
A very important, Sharon. There are two parts to this question. A, he is coming down with a delegation, and he's not appearing on behalf of Hurriyat, or he's not appearing as a separatist leader. He's appearing on behalf of a clerical body that he's representing, and there are multiple people who will be accompanying him. Having said that, obviously multiple people will welcome him joining this process of democratic process of, passing a bill, because normally they always speak out against the constitution. They say do not believe in the values of the constitution. But for them to come to the mainstream and participate in a discussion like this, which obviously is going to be a bill which is going to be passed in a democratic manner, many say is going to be a welcome step as well.
Absolutely. So, Mir Faiz Umar Farooq is going to depose in front of the JPC, is what the information that is being brought by CNN News 18's Payal Mehta. Many thanks, Payal, for getting us those details.